Inflation is soaring, fuel prices are climbing, and the cost of running an airline has reached new heights. Yet, despite these challenges, the aviation industry is finding innovative ways to stay in the sky. Curious how they're navigating through turbulence? Let's find out in today's episode of Aeronautics. The economic storm hitting airlines. Airlines operate on razor-thin margins, and with inflation driving up costs across the board, the pressure is immense. Jet fuel, which can account for up to 30% of operating expenses, has seen dramatic price hikes. Combine this with rising wages, airport fees, and maintenance costs, and you've got a recipe for financial turbulence. Smart moves to reduce expenses. So, how are airlines managing? One way is fleet modernization. Airlines are investing in newer, more fuel-efficient aircraft like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350. These planes consume up to 25% less fuel than older models, significantly reducing operating costs. Another strategy is route optimization. Airlines are using advanced software to identify the most efficient flight paths, minimizing fuel burn and delays. Creative ways to generate revenue. Airlines are also diversifying their revenue streams. Ancillary fees, such as baggage charges, seat selection, and onboard food sales, now contribute significantly to their income. For instance, low-cost carriers like Ryanair and Spirit Airlines have perfected this model, where ticket prices are low, but add-ons make up the difference. Premium services are another focus. Many airlines are upgrading their business and first-class offerings to attract high-paying customers. And let's not forget about frequent flyer programs, which are essentially a goldmine of customer loyalty and partnerships. The role of governments and green initiatives. In some cases, governments have stepped in to provide financial aid, especially during the pandemic. However, airlines are also turning to sustainability as a long-term survival strategy. Initiatives like using sustainable aviation fuels, SAF, and carbon offset programs not only reduce environmental impact, but also attract eco-conscious travelers. If you're finding this fascinating, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Aeronautics for more insights into the aviation industry. Let's keep the journey going, adapting to customer needs. Airlines are also focused on enhancing the passenger experience to retain loyalty. Flexible booking policies, improved in-flight entertainment, and revamped loyalty programs are just a few ways they're winning customer trust during uncertain times. What's next for airlines? The future of aviation might look very different. Electric and hydrogen-powered planes are being tested, and automation in operations could further cut costs. While inflation and rising expenses remain challenges, the industry's resilience and adaptability give us plenty of reasons to be optimistic. The skies may be turbulent, but airlines are proving they have what it takes to navigate through the storm. What do you think about these strategies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aeronautics for more aviation stories. Until next time, happy flying.